Hi guys, so are you ready to take your love for French fries to the whole new level? Forget the ketchup because today we are making a snack that's an absolute flavor bomb, our very own Schezwan French fries. This isn't just a simple side dish, it's a fiery fusion of a classic comfort food with the bold, spicy and addictive flavor of Indo-Chinese cuisine. Today we are talking about the perfectly crispy fries coated in a rich, tangy and subtle sweet Schezwan sauce that will make your taste buds do a happy dance. It's the perfect snack for a movie night, a fantastic appetizer, or just a delicious way to spice up your week. If you're new on this channel, then please hit that subscribe and also hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of the new uploads. Also, do share my recipes with your loved ones so that they also can try these delicious recipes at home. So grab a bag of fries and your favorite Indo-Chinese spices and let's get cooking. So now let's begin. So first take 1 kg frozen French fries. Then add about 3 to 4 tablespoons cooking oil and give it a nice mix. Make sure that the oil is nicely coated on all the fries. Then simply air fry the fries. Simply cook it at 200 degrees for 25 to 30 minutes until the fries are nice and crispy on the outside. So the French fries are ready now. Then give it a gentle mix. As you can see that the fries are nice and crispy on the outside and soft inside. Then leave it aside to use it later. Then in a hot pan add oil. Add 5 garlic cloves chopped, 2-inch ginger chopped, 1 green chili chopped and fry it until it turns nice and light brown. Then add 2 onions sliced, add 1 red bell pepper, half cup spring onion white and fry it until the onion and bell peppers are nice and soft. Then add 3 tablespoons tomato ketchup, 2 tablespoons sweet chili sauce, 2 tablespoons red chili sauce, 2 tablespoons Schezwan chutney or sauce, half tablespoon white vinegar, 1 tablespoon light soya sauce, 2 stock cube, half teaspoon black pepper powder, add some salt to taste and then cook the sauces until it is nice and thick. Cook it for about 3 to 4 minutes. Then add the French fries and add a handful of spring onion green and then give it a nice mix. So the Schezwan French fries are ready. And there you have it guys, your very own incredibly spicy and addictive Schezwan French fries. Just look at that vibrant red color and the perfect crispy coating. This is a true game changer for your snack routine, elevating simple fries into a flavor-packed masterpiece. I truly hope you enjoyed making this recipe. It's the perfect treat for a movie night, a party appetizer, or whenever you need a little spice kick. Give it a try and let me know in the comments below what your thoughts are. If you love this recipe, then please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your fellow food lovers, and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Don't forget to ring that notification bell for more delicious and easy recipes from our kitchen. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.